friends, welcome to this makeup tutorial. Today we're going to be doing this makeup look. For my brows today I'm using a NYX Cosmetics Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe. I've been loving using it for little baby strokes for more of a realistic look. Plus the color matches perfectly my natural hair, so this is definitely a win-win for me. To prime my eyes today I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. With a synthetic brush you want to apply it evenly all over your eyelid. And the star of the show today is the Revlon X Wonder Woman 84 palette. I'm going to use red and I'm going to apply it all over my crease and my eyelid. I'm using for that a tapered brush. It's basically a fluffy brush with longer bristles. All I'm doing is placing the pigment in one place and then just wiggling it around with whatever's left on the brush. This way the edge is not harsh and the blend looks amazing. And with this ivory color, I'm just gonna place it under a brow. I feel like doing so it opens up the eye a little more. And with the Anastasia eye primer and a Sigma E06 brush, I am creating the little line as a base. Then I'm topping it off with this beautiful teal color. All I'm doing it is just with the same brush, just placing it on there. Since the base is tacky, that will give us a little more of a pop of color. Then this beautiful purple, we're going to apply it directly on our lid while blending it with the pink color as well. For our eyeliner today, I'm using Sigma liquid eyeliner in the shade Wicked. Love this eyeliner for its intensity. It's that carbon black, like very intense black, and also it's not bleeding, as my eyes have a lot of texture and a lot of times that is my main problem. I don't have this problem with this liquid liner, plus it lasts all day long. A little bit of mascara before I apply my lashes. This one is from Kat Von D, Go Big or Go Home. These lashes, I got them at the Dollar Tree store, guys, and honestly, I am shook because they look really, really good. And they were literally $1. Foundation today I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade 110C. And also, if you follow me on other social media like Instagram, you have noticed that I've been obsessed with Blendsmart brushes. They are rotating power, leaving your skin looking like airbrushed, also plumps the skin and massages your face at the same time. Without mentioning, it saves me so much time when it comes to applying my foundation. For the concealer today, I'm using Milani Conceal and Perfect in the shade 110. Lately, I've been preferring to blend my concealer with a synthetic brush. To contour my face today, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Cream Contour Palette. I've kind of been loving the cream contouring lately for my face. I feel like they look a lot more natural and effortless. For the blush today, I'm using Milani 140 Cheek Kiss. The blush is definitely very pigmented, so watch out, don't use too much. If you are looking for that wet looking kind of skin, this highlighter from Revlon and Wonder Woman 84 is way to go. This one is so beautiful. For the powder today, I'm using Milani translucent powder in a number 01. It's basically translucent white powder. I am very oily in a T-zone, so I gotta have it. For the under eyes, I'm using the same pink shade that I use on my crease. And then in the inner corner, I'm dragging the teal color closer to the middle. Waterline, I'm going to be using BH Cosmetics Power Pencil in shade Teal. Now, these pencils are really soft and very pigmented for the price point. And a little bit of mascara. For the lipstick today, I'm using a Sigma Beauty in the shade Behold. For the lip topper, I'm going to be using a Stil in the shade Synergy. Now, as per usual, I'm a little extra, so I'm going to add a little more highlighter, and I'm using the Milani Holographic Beam palette. To set my makeup today, I'm using the Skindinavia Bridal Series setting spray, and our look is complete today. let me know in the comments down below which palette should I use next, or what makeup tutorial should I do next. Until then, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!